I'm really excited right now. We have some dusty roads here, dusty driveways, and we're about to get a new load of gravel. I don't know how many yards it's gonna be, probably 5 or 6 truckloads, which is gonna be, I think they're about 10 or 11 yards per load. So it's gonna be a lot, but we're gonna see how it goes here. We're gonna start at the very furthest point. That way I'll have some time to spread it all out. I don't have a tractor right now because I gave the one that I borrowed back, but hopefully I'll be able to do it by hand, and we'll see how it goes. So the spot is right here. This is the back side of the little guest house. The main house is way down over there, and at some point I had thought about maybe closing off this back door. Why do you need 2 doors in such a small building? But why not put a parking pad back here? So in the winter time, you can drive in, the main driveway comes over this way, and you can just pull straight into here and then walk from the car right into the little house there. That way, the other option is to have the parking on the front side of this, but then from the main house, you know, if there's a few cars back here, the backyard is gonna look really ugly. So this way we can hide anybody that's parked here, we can hide them behind the house, and everything will be good. Now this is a pretty big truck that's coming, and with the dump bed all the way up is about 16 feet, I was told. I haven't actually seen the truck yet, but he said it's about 16 feet tall. So what I did was I went around the entire, like all the driveways, and I made sure that there were no branches in the way. I cleared them out. It was, you know, my little black trailer, it was about an entire trailer full, plus a few branches. So that is all cleared. This is the last one that was in the way here, that was way up high here in this oak tree. So I got rid of that, and we should be ready for him to show up.